This is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to begin with, I recommend that you turn on mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then among the notification panel shortcuts, you should be able to find the nearby share. So touch and hold at its icon. After you have entered the nearby share page, you can turn this feature on by switching on this toggle. Then from here you can, per se, rename your device, make your device invisible or respectively visible, and while it is discoverable you can change the privacy preferences, or to put it in more apparent terms, to whom your device will be visible or who will be able to discover your device and, well, exchange the files with it. And finally, you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and you are all ready to go. So let me take my other phone I have and try sending something through the nearby share to my Redmi A1 Plus. So let's say I'll go with this picture. Why not? I will need to wait for my Redmi to get discovered. Here it is. Then accept the transfer at the receiver's end or receiving end. Wait for the photo to get moved or, well, exported or imported in a way. And, well, here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.